Hello and welcome to another episode of the Murray Group Mailbag. My name is Ryan Hanley. I am the Director of Marketing and Sales here at the Murray Group Insurance Services, and our mailbag feature is very simple. Our clients, prospects, people from the community ask us questions every day about insurance and insurance-related products, and we felt that it was very important that we answered these questions, and we wanted to put them out onto YouTube and our blog to make them accessible to anybody. So that's what we do. And today's episode is going to be from Thomas. Thomas is from Troy, and Thomas asked the question, does auto insurance follow the car or the driver? So this is a question for anyone who's ever let a friend or relative borrow their car. Probably this question goes through their head, what happens if they get into an accident, right? And I'm sure that that's where this is coming from, where Thomas's question is coming from. The answer to that question is insurance first follows the car. So if Thomas lets his buddy down the street take his car for a drive and his buddy gets the car into an accident, then Thomas's insurance is going to be the first one to respond based on his limits. Now, his buddy could put a claim in under his own company, but in most instances, it's going to be Thomas's insurance, the insurance on the actual car itself, that follows or that responds first and provides kind of the first level of defense. And that's assuming that Thomas's friend actually has auto insurance. So to answer your question, Thomas, this is pretty straightforward stuff, and this is particular to New York State. So if anyone's watching this who's outside New York State, the rules that govern this may be different in your state. But in New York State, insurance, auto insurance, personal auto insurance follows the car. So if you let someone else borrow your car and take it for a drive and they get into an accident, your insurance is going to be the one that responds. And unfortunately, if you have a premium increase or adjustment based on that incident or accident, you're going to be the one that's responsible for that. So just think about that when you're letting people drive your car. Maybe you want to second guess letting your irresponsible friends and family take your car for a joyride. My name is Ryan Hanley. I'm the Director of Marketing and Sales here at the Murray Group Insurance Services. This has been our mailbag feature, and if you have a question that you would like answered on a future episode of the Murray Group Mailbag, simply leave your question in the comments below, whether you're watching this on YouTube or on our website. I check the comments in both places, and I collect all those questions, and I use them for future episodes. So just make sure you leave your name and your town if you'd like that to be included in the question, and I will make sure it gets on a future episode as long as it's appropriate. So for all of us here at the Murray Group, to all of you out there watching, have a very, very good day.